Every FlowMattic option lives in one place, the Settings page. Let's take the tour. Settings are grouped into 4 sections: Connections, Core, Integrations, and Modules, and the search box finds any setting instantly. First up, Connections, where FlowMattic talks to your databases and mailboxes. The Database tab is home to FlowMattic's fully managed database. It's already connected here, and plans, tables, and exports all live on the Databases page. Below it, Database Management holds your custom connections. Link any external database, check its status at a glance, and edit or remove it anytime. And if you tick Fetch Existing Tables, tables from your connected databases become available for editing. IMAP email connects your mailboxes. Each account is monitored, and workflows trigger the moment a new email arrives. It's pure PHP, so no server extensions are needed. Next, the Core section, FlowMattic's everyday behavior. General starts with the Setup wizard. Rerun the guided onboarding whenever you like. Admin bar menu shows or hides FlowMattic in the WordPress admin bar. Headers capture stores the HTTP headers from webhook responses, handy for debugging. Webhook data capture keeps the parsed JSON payload as a variable, and raw body capture exposes the untouched request body, exactly what signature validation for Stripe or GitHub needs. Workflow Builder sets your editing defaults. Pick the visual or static builder, choose which folder opens first, set the canvas direction, vertical or horizontal, and decide whether clicking outside a step's settings closes it. SMTP powers FlowMattic's email module. Add your server and port, your username and password, then pick the encryption type. TLS is recommended for modern servers. Notifications keep an eye on your automations. When a workflow fails, you get an email, and the error webhook URL sends the same alert to Slack, Discord, Teams, or any webhook service, even when SMTP is down. Authentication expiry alerts do the same for app connections that need re-authenticating. Advanced handles the housekeeping. Task history and human-in-the-loop data clean themselves up after the number of days you set. You also control whether workflow managers can access the integrations page or uninstall integrations. Webhook URL structure switches to the REST API format if permalinks give you trouble, and auto-update keeps your integrations current daily. The third section, Integrations, connects outside services. Share Secrets customizes the error page. Set your own button text and link for expired secrets. Cloudflare browser rendering takes one account ID and API token and powers pixel-perfect PDF exports, the browser integration, and the AI agent's browsing tool. reCAPTCHA v3 keeps bots off your forms. Add your site and secret keys, then set the minimum score. 0.5 is the recommended default. And finally, Modules, global defaults for the built-in apps. Forms sets the public URL slug, the default sender name and email, the confirmation email template, and whether admins and respondents are notified by default. Bookings does the same for calendars. The booking URL, the host name and title shown to invitees, and the email that receives booking alerts. Core Integrations lists all 60 built-in tools. Search, filter, and toggle any of them off to keep your editor exactly how you like it. Change anything, and the Save bar appears. One click saves it all. That's FlowMattic settings, everything tuned from one page. Thanks for watching.